$1? Are you serious? All of this, $1?
$1.25.
Oh, that's crazy. Come on, $1.25, that's still $1. Let's go.
Dollar Tree offers a plethora of shopping items. Are you thinking about Hawaii this summer? Hula hula hoo kabanga. You find the perfect card for grandma, your sick aunt, or dad's birthday. Stop by your local Dollar Tree today.
Let's go.
Do you often host parties or large family meals, but hate doing the dishes? Well, Dollar Tree has the solution for you. Do you need toys or school supplies? Then pay no more than $1.25. Are you funky? Is your house dirty? Fret not, we have the cleaning product for you. Scrub-a-dub-dub. And if you have pets, we have things for them too. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, I see you. Are you still waiting on the next paycheck? Do you only have a few coins in your pockets, your purse or wallet, or under the couch? Feel not ashamed. With Dollar Tree, you are poor no more. Condition applies. 30% cost $1.25. Get your supplies while they last. Dollar Tree, $1 a day keeps poverty at bay. There's so much more to see at Dollar Tree. I hope this video inspires you to visit it. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Ciao.